Hello there, today we're going to show you how to fit the orange inspection flap off the bottom of either an X1, an X1.1, an X4, an X7, an XP10, 20 or 30. X1, X4, X7. Now these are the flaps as they come. If you get a new one, it doesn't come with the end caps that you need on an X1 or an X4. If you need the little end caps, get the recycled one there. So let's show you how it's done. So we find it better to take the body off so it doesn't get scratched. So we're going to start here with an X7 because the X7 and the X4 are slightly different. So on the X7 you have to take the sole plate off with these 3 screws. Comes off from the front like that. This is an X4. On an X4 you don't take the sole plate off. You undo these 2 screws and there are little caps. 2 little caps with screws like that. It is the same flap between the 2 machines, it's just the way of fitting is slightly different. So you're going to refit now. Look for that little indent there, because that's part of your spring sits in there. That part of your spring wants to sit in that indent. This part of the spring wants to sit in that indent. So you insert that first and then kind of slide it backwards like this into position. So this is the X4, so you just refit the 2 caps. And this would be the X7, so you've got it back in place like that. The 2 springs, the 2 edges of the spring rather. You've refit the sole plate from the flap end first. And just nip up the 3 screws. And check the tension. Make sure it springs like that, that's how it's supposed to operate. So that is how to fit your orange inspection flap on an X series. This is something that we do get calls and emails about, asking for instructions, or people put them in the wrong way, or they don't know where the spring goes, or they don't know if they lost a cap off the end or what. So that should be dead clear now for anybody that has an X series that wants to fit an orange flap. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and down here by now you should see some other of our repair videos if you're interested in repairing Sebos. See you next time.